Alright guys, welcome back to KBRC. Today I've got my flite V900 and a new propeller because I was trying to throw it the other day and fly it, and yeah, little whoopsie. So, ordered a propeller. It's this one right here. It's the upgraded one, not the stock plastic one. So today I'm going to show you guys how to repair that. Ordered this a few days ago. No, I ordered this about a week ago and it just came a few days ago. So, let's get right into it. I haven't been flying a lot because the weather's been really bad and it's about to be still pretty wet and yucky. But I did get to go fly the P-51 the other day, but I had no cameraman or camerawoman. So, let's repair this. Knife safety. So I'm going to open up the box. Alright, so here it is. This is what it looks like when it comes. This is the composite propeller, 8x8E, thin electric propeller, not for gas airplanes. Landing products, I guess. I ordered it from Horizon Hobby. So let's open this and put it on. Oops. So I'm not sure exactly what this is yet. Haven't really done a whole lot with that. So move this out of the way here, and I'll go get my toolbox. Okay. So, got all my lovely, gorgeous tools in here. So, not sure exactly what kind of Allen wrench this is, but something that'll fit this right here. The screw to the spinner. So I'm gonna see, what was that? Alright. That's not good. So, unscrewing this first. First things first. Alright, got enough here. I can just pull it on out. A long screw for only screwing in, or being able to screw this much out. So, now I'm going to need a wrench. Let's see. I got a wrench in here. If not, oh, here's the broken piece of the propeller. Shut. Okay. So, see if this will fit. Nope. Well, not really sure. I gotta go out to the shed and see if I have one. But let's see if this works. I usually, all my nuts I need here for wrenches, I don't always have a wrench on hand. And pliers work great. Sometimes. Probably just gonna get a wrench, but let's see if this works. Yeah, look at that. Didn't even take that much force. So, unscrewing that, if you guys can see. Okay, whoa. Alright. That's off. That is trash. Don't need that. Don't need that. I need that. I guess I'll need that, yeah. Alright, so there's that right here. Okay, so this thing is on that pretty good. Can't get it. Okay. Whoa, alright. Okay, I think it's screwed up a little bit. So I'm gonna pause and come right back. Okay guys, we're back. Finally figured it out and split my finger with this shaft right here, whatever you want to call it, right here, that piece. It made it actually a really deep cut all the way down my finger. I usually never wear a Band-Aid, but I did because I needed something to stop bleeding, because when I put a towel, paper towel on it, it just stuck to it and got all nasty. So, back to it. So I held this down and I twisted this. I found out that's how you do it. Never replaced the prop on this. So I'm going to continue to do so it comes off. Alright guys, that's off now. So, I'm going to grab the new prop and see. Okay. Does this thing have any modification? I'm going to look at this here. So this, these must be, these I'm guessing go in here so you could modify it and put it on a different airplane that doesn't have a hole this big, whatever you want to say. So that's what those are for, right? Yeah, those go in there. But this is the exact perfect size I need for my V900. So let's go ahead and put that on. Okay. I'm getting excited because I haven't flown this for a while. Well, since we're going all sideways. Holding this piece down and twisting this to the right to tighten it. Trying to cut myself again. Yeah, I actually bled quite a bit doing that. And the funny thing was I cut myself on the exact same finger, just my left thumb, yesterday actually, and almost in the exact same spot. So now, two nice, lovely cuts, the same finger. All right, so this is almost on. Trying to get it pretty tight. That's my dog up there. He's in his kennel. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. That was, yeah. I feel kind of bad for him, but yet he was outside in the rain. Soaking wet, and we don't want him in the house like that. Okay, so that's about as good as I can get it. So we're gonna put this piece back on. This little washer, flat head washer, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. That's on there. And throw this nut back on. See that? Back. And again, you gotta tighten it with my pair of pliers because I don't have the exact same size wrench. Well, I do, but not with and I don't really feel like I need to go get it when this works just well. I mean, I've tightened almost all my airplane propellers with this exact pair of pliers, so it works pretty well. Until it scratches it up or breaks it or something. Charlie, shh. Alright guys, that should work pretty darn well, I think. propeller's on the right way. Let's see if I go that way. Feel that. Alright. I keep thinking that's not on. Oh, I guess it is. It is. So, but this. See, that's the thing. I'm not sure how that's supposed to go. Oh, I guess this screw right here does that. Maybe. I'll see. Tighten this on a little bit more if I can. And then we should be able to put the spinner back on. Okay. Boy, that is tough to get. Sure everything's on pretty straight. Oh, guys, that hurts. This piece right here. What?
Who are you talking to?
Filming.
Right now?
Yes.
Oh.
Hey, you can say hi.
Hello, everybody.
Alright, 40 subscribers, yeah. Alright. Alright, looks pretty dang good. My dad just got home from work. Okay, so just screwing that back in. Getting it pretty tight. And it's not going to go all the way in. It should line up right along with the spinner. So that should line up perfectly. Maybe just a little bit in more if you can get it. I'm going to try to get it as tight as I can. I don't know about you guys, but I don't want my airplane falling apart in midair. So yeah, I don't know if I talked about what happened, but I threw it and I couldn't get on the sticks fast enough, and it actually held up really well, including the whole entire wing right here. This went straight down. I mean, it went like this, like came up and then it came right back down. And I think the problem was I had safe on when I threw it, so because I'm not really comfortable hand launching airplanes really, because I've always had my dad do it, but since I need him to film now, it's a little difficult. So see if this is tight enough, and boom. Yeah, that's not going inside. I don't want to strip it. Then that would be not so good. So throw the canopy back on there. I think we need to get it bonded up and see. So, I'll do a little workshop hanger tour here soon. Alright, I'm going to power my DX6E on. Always fly with the DX6E. Gonna go to model select. You guys might see some nice airplanes in there. I have not filmed yet or anything, and I've got more coming, more in buy. Throttle's down, that stink. Don't want to get my hand taken off today. So there's safe mode acting on it. So let's see. Well, holding on pretty well. Almost down to Okay, That's powerful. No wonder it does 120 plus. Someday I might upgrade to the V900. But this is a fast enough speed demon for me right now. So, that is how you install a new propeller or spinner. Because the spinner's pretty easy. You just take the screw out and pop it off and then loop and then screw it back in. So, I'm going to throw this piece of tape away because I was using a piece of tape to hold on a box for filming because I have no cameraman. So, that is how you do that. More videos coming soon. Bad weather also coming soon. So, maybe a little bit. But I will see you guys next time. KBRC.